The University of West London, the subject that I was doing, taught me that in this industry it's really important to be a people's person. If you don't have a passion for working in customer service and serving customers, then this industry is not for you. It also helped me to develop my confidence in the industry, because not only did we do lots of theory work when it came to things like food and beverage, or the subject of accounting or health and safety, but we also did practical work. So in the Pillars restaurant, we were put to the test. I remember I had to serve customers. During that time I was quite nervous because I hadn't done that before, but after I got that knowledge, I was really confident to go onto the floor at my father's place here and serve customers. So I think that's the most valuable aspect of the course and what the university gave me.